If you want to safely eject USB flash drive from Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case you can check out notifications. And then over here in notifications, you should be able to find the notification about your USB device being connected. In that case, you can tap on this arrow on the right side to find the eject button, so you can use it, and then after a short while, you should be able to disconnect the flash drive safely from your phone. In case you do not have the notification, you can also open settings on your phone. Then we need to find the storage. So let's see where it is. We're gonna go to About Phone. And then over here in About Phone, we're gonna choose the storage option in here. And then after scrolling down, we have the USB drive or flash drive section. So here we can choose the Unmount USB device option. Then we have the confirmation. So now we should be able to safely remove the flash drive from the phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.